We begin to perceive the world at the very moment we open our eyes. We long to explore everything around us. This is because seeing is believing, and seeing deepens experience and deepens thinking. The world keeps evolving thanks to human discontent with what our eyes can see.
Range from education to entertainment, from public transportation to the safety of entire cities, and from solutions for banks and financial institutions to residential solutions for ordinary citizens. We are focused on listening to you, so we can partner with you in the critical endeavor of security surveillance now and in the future. As the largest supplier of video surveillance equipment is internationally renowned, enjoying a stable and persistent compound average growth rate and remarkable market share. Featuring the industry's strongest R&D workforce with dedicated and highly skilled personnel in each locale. Extensive collaboration between sales and technical support teams, coupled with ever-increasing resource team efficiency, all come together to equip profound knowledge of our customers and their needs.